So we was thinking, where can we go out for the day? We didn't want to go too far, but we wanted to go somewhere new. So we come just over an hour away to Shropshire, and we're just at Moreton Corbet Castle.
Yeah, we haven't just seen it, all of it yet. We pulled up in the car and we could just see the top of it, and it just looked like, oh wow, look at that. And we haven't seen it just yet because it's covered in trees, so let's go have a look.
So we're about to get our first glimpse.
Let's have a look. Oh wow. It's beautiful.
What's your thoughts so far, Han?
Yeah, I really love this little place. It's a good find. I'm just in one of the little windows on one of the ruins at the minute. It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's crazy. It's like over 800 years old. So that's it. That's Moreton Corbet Castle done. Got some pretty cool photos.
Yeah, it's really nice, isn't it?
Yeah, we're going to go over Church Stretton Way now to a place called Stiperstones. So we're just at the start of Stiperstones now. First time for both of us, so we're not too sure what it's going to entail. Let's see. So we've just left the National Trust car park. We're going to make our way towards the top.
Yeah, you can see them a mile off.
Yeah, we see for miles. Stunning.
experience to say the least.
Yeah, a little adventure.
Very good.
Just making our way back down to the car now. Hopefully try and find somewhere to stop off for a coffee before home.
Oh yeah, coffee sounds great.